Thank you, Apple, for making Samsung do this. What's up, guys? So as we know that the road to the Galaxy S26 series launch is a little longer than expected, which is a good thing because Samsung now has the time to finally do the right thing, which is to adopt this thing that Apple brought back with the iPhone 15 Pro lineup. For those who don't know, ever since the iPhone 15 series, Apple has been processing their photos in 24 megapixel by default, giving users the perfect balance of detail and HDR performance. And guess what? Samsung is finally, and I mean finally, doing this right. According to the source, Galaxy S26 Ultra will finally take 24 megapixel photos by default. And I hope Samsung also implements this with the S26 and the S26 Plus. Not just that, Samsung is further taking this one area that Apple really takes seriously on their iPhone models, and that is pro level video performance, where you can shoot high quality ProRes videos, color grade them, and get cinematic footage for that pro workflow. So Samsung is indeed bringing the APV codec video option. In this codec, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will take the highest quality raw videos that you can later color grade. APV HQ is the highest recording codec where 1.5 GB of storage is per minute, while APV LQ uses 750 MB storage per minute. Finally, the video is going proper pro level on the S26 Ultra, and guess what? The actual camera sensor is also improved, giving Samsung their best shot at dethroning Apple, because Samsung needs to bring the very best. Speaking of the best, meet the world's first coin-sized AI voice recorder. This tiny gadget can replace your note-taking forever. This is the SOUNDCORE Work, which is ultra compact, insanely light at just 10 grams, and it does more than you think. Just one press and it starts recording. Got a key moment? Just double tap, the haptic feedback will confirm it, and your highlights are automatically marked in the transcript and summarization tab, so nothing important ever slips by. The AI transcription with this thing is the best, with up to 97% accuracy, speaker separation, and even auto summaries in multiple languages. You get 25 plus summary templates that will fit perfectly in your daily work or study routines, and this is so much better than just recording voice on your iPhone. What's insane is that the base box isn't just magnetic, it's also a charging box, giving you way longer battery life and keeping it ready wherever you go. And because it's encrypted end-to-end, you never worry about data security. Plus, you can wear it as a pendant, clip it on, or even magnet it to your phone. The best part, if you click my special link in the description, you get $35 off with the code SOUNDCOREAI and 6 months of Pro membership for free, so definitely check this out. So here are the Galaxy S26 Ultra's camera details, and I want you to focus on one camera specifically, which is the 12 megapixel 3x telephoto lens. It is finally getting upgraded. While rest of the sensors remain same, both main and the 5x optical zoom sensors have larger apertures, getting more light than ever before. Honestly, this has been a very unexpected camera upgrade regarding the S26 Ultra, where instead of having a new camera sensor, Samsung is upgrading the current sensor and optimizing it further. Is that going to really pay off? Well, Samsung is very confident. Yes, they officially responded and said this about the S26 series. The Vice President of Samsung Mobile Experience Division, Daniel Arujo, said, "Next generation of Galaxy S series phones will revolutionize the user experience with user-centric next-gen AI, a second-generation custom AP with stronger performance, and new camera sensors." Yes, Samsung is looking at this as a new camera sensor upgrade for the S26 series, along with the second generation custom AP, which is the combination of Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and the Exynos 2600, and the next generation Galaxy AI features, one of which could be the AI privacy screen feature for the S26 lineup, where with the help of AI, the display will appear dark to other people when looking from the sides. No need to apply those cheap protectors. This is just one example. There's going to be more exciting AI features coming with the S26 lineup. If there's one area where Samsung is head and shoulders above Apple, is with their AI features. But I am glad that they are finally learning the good stuff from Apple, which is 24 megapixel default photo processing, along with proper raw uncompressed video thanks to the new APV codec. I can't wait to see what this camera can deliver. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.